Alright, Sam, we got a little bit more activity going on in your engine. Alright, now we've got your crankshaft set up so where we can check rod clearances. And we've got our rod bolts and I'm sorry, our connecting rods and our caps. Got them all lined up according to the factory markings. You see it or not, anyway. And then on the other side we've got the stamped marks that correspond with our rods, and we're going to install our rod bearings into our connecting rods. But before we do that, we want to check to see if Mercedes has bumfuzzled us, and they have. This is a production change. Some of the connecting rods have the oil hole right in the center with the corresponding tube or passageway centered. These rods, which are correct rods, are a style of rod that we see every once in a while where the oil hole is offset. You can see it's not right in the center. Okay, the problem though is that the corresponding hole in the rod shell is centered. So if we stick these two together, like we're going to install it, very obviously the oil hole in the rod does not line up with the oil hole in the shell. So we will drill the oil holes, and the way I make sure I got them correctly centered is I will heavily mark this with Marks-a-Lot or machinist bluing. Mark this hole with machinist bluing, install the rod shell and pop it out, and I'll have a perfect impression of where the bluing is in the center where the hole is supposed to be drilled. Just one of those little things, one of those little tidbits that you have to watch out for. And I don't know why or how Mercedes has decided to not drill two holes so everybody can pop these shells right in, but there you go. Minor detail, we're going to take care of it.